Hello everybody and welcome to the celebration of progress.
At Audi, we are living progress.
Welcome with me, Tom Hardy in London.
Hello everyone.
Woo! What a beauty! What an entrance!
This beauty here is by far the most attractive car I've ever drawn. And on this package, I have to say, is a technical masterpiece.
You guys at Audi have come to the table with some of the most beautiful design work and the most incredible technology. That's the future.
Progress isn't either or.
The car is the most sophisticated take on intelligent performance.